Positive Insights is a business that I started 3 years ago after a career in marketing and communications and management at Fidelity Investments. Started to gain an understanding of the power of data in making responsible decisions. We are a management consulting firm that relies on data analytics to make our decisions and business intelligence. At Fidelity, we had these data-driven insight groups that would help rip information out of systems, display them in Tableau, and it honestly made the management position a lot easier to be able to understand where to focus, where to optimize, and what we would say is make add, edit, delete decisions. In starting Positive Insights, I really wanted to bring that same functionality to medium-sized businesses that were looking to scale. And to me, the way I've been able to help companies do that has all been through the fundamentals of making data-driven decisions. So what brought me to Zuar was really the fact that I knew I was aggregating data from a bunch of different systems. We were doing point-in-time analysis, and that analysis was taking sometimes the better part of a full day and looking at Tableau prep, and the data from the sources we were grabbing required a lot of work to get to solid data integrity, and there was a lot of mapping that had to be done. In interviewing Zuar for the capabilities, the thing that I saw that was different was the Zuar platform. And there's a lot of selling of plug and play. When I furthered the conversations with Zuar, and it was much more about how we need to set up the proper integrations. This is a process, this is an implementation, and this is an investment of time that will ensure a long-term relationship and long-term reliability of the data and the modeling that you're setting up inside of our system. That is what I wanted. So I went from monthly exercises to weekly manual exercises to today we are automating and pulling reports overnight where I can tell at 7 a.m. this morning what 7 sales offices did as far as performance yesterday. So it brought the back-end skill and technology that I needed and the ability to not only build a data warehouse that was secure, but to be able to create some of that mapping that came directly from the API calls and the flat files that we pulled in. We were able to really automate the application of some of that logic that we needed to happen on a daily basis. And then from that point, we were in a partnership in being able to create an optimized solution for my client through the Zuar platform. Even though the analytics and the dashboards are native to Tableau, they're behind a login that comes off of our website. We link to the client portal. The client portal is a Positive Insights branded portal that Zuar powers, and they log in based on the permissions of the Tableau settings to be able to reveal screens that are appropriate for their function. So I believe that there is a benefit to letting the function lead reveal metrics that may not be ones that they're proud of, but they're ones that they want to work on without having that be revealed to the rest of the organization. When it comes to optimizing Zuar, I think there's a ton of opportunity. With a broader client set makes sense from a cost perspective. That's something I'm very interested in exploring further. I think when I look at the staffing at Zuar, the people we've had interactions with, they're very knowledgeable people. And when it comes to the investment in the technology, it has an eye on that end user.